Okay. Hmm. Good morning, JC. Let me know if the audio is too loud. If it's too loud, I'll try to readjust it. But I did some had to readjust the settings for the audio. So I mean, if it's too loud, please let me know. Yeah, it seems like all the all right, cool. Yeah, it seems like of course all the price action happened in the pre-market. So what I'm gonna start doing, starting tonight, I'm gonna probably do a pre-market stream as well. Probably like around 7 or 8 o'clock. I'll probably start a new stream. Probably just start doing that from now on because the price action overnight is definitely way better than the price action during the cash session. Um, right now, it does appear that the move is to go long, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna wait for a pullback back into this area. Hopefully, we get it, but that's what I'm gonna wait for. I'm tripping. I don't even got book map up or nothing. I don't have book map up or nothing.
I enjoy my independence.
Okay. 9, 5. All right. So yeah, it looks like yeah, should have took that long. But yeah, so yeah, I was just waiting for that pullback back into this area. I guess this little consolidation was that pullback. I mean, I don't know on this one. We'll see what happens if we get a retest of this area at 286. We'll see what happens. But we're definitely the move is long. So if price comes back into this area, 9 times out of 10, price is going to bounce here. 9 times out of 10. Because I mean, we got this big giant range right here. Price consolidating, but it's really right here though. It's really that's the range. And then we got that breakout. And then it traded back into this range and then it broke out. So I'm gonna wait for that pullback before jumping into this unless this right here is what the market is going to consider a good enough pullback. So we'll see. We'll see. Mm, 60, 67. Yeah, so it might actually be, I think the bull season might be coming to a halt, at least for right now. The CFTC data over the weekend, we can see that there are decrease. I mean, they did decrease from last week. So there are 59% long and 41% short this week. But I do want to bring to your attention that they do not have as many contracts going as they did last week. So, um, yeah, you can see that they drastically decreased their contract sizing. So it went to 89, and this is actually below the average of 108,000. So that's below the average. And you can see when we got this type of price action, this is when the market consolidated in this little area right here. And that's when the market consolidated. So I think that's what we're going to get. I think we're going to see back and forth. I'm thinking that the institutions are distributing contracts back and forth. I think we're just going to see a lot of range days. We're not going to have too many trending days. I mean, obviously, right now, the market is trending to the downside right now. That's obvious. Okay. Yeah, that, I don't know. I'm going to keep my eyes on this 2063 to 65 level. I want to see if we get it. Now, this could have been a super liquidity right here underneath 134. I guess time is going to tell if this was a sweep of liquidity right here for a pump, or if the market is going to want to take out this low and possibly touch 2017, 2018. We'll see. But 2016, 660. So, I mean, if we do, we'll probably get like a move up to right here. You know what? Let me actually just, because if they do that, I'm not going to try to overthink this. But this week might just be a week where we just have to sit on our hands until the market really figures out what it wants to do. Because I think they're going to want to protect this low at 950 for sure. They might want to take out this last week close at 2015. They might want to take that out. Hmm. They might want to take that out. Yeah, the ES is looking just as bearish as the Nasdaq right now. Um, that's looking just as bearish. That's definitely a lower high, and it just made a lower low. So the move is definitely to the downside. At least for right now. So we'll see. We'll see if they're going to hold it here at around 200. Because I mean, if they do get in at 200, the question is, does the bulls hold this, or does will the bears step in and take this? That's the question. I mean, I don't like the fact that it rejected from a golden zone, but the structure right now is bullish, so I'm going to try for a long opportunity. I probably won't use the full 50 points and stops. Probably won't, but hopefully it gives us an opportunity to kind of get into this at a good area. Hopefully back up into this range right here. I would love for price to tap into this range and then, take off. I would love for that to happen. Yeah, probably do that. Hmm. Yeah. So this is what I'll do. I'll try this double top, but I'll keep my stops really. Well, that's too high. That's too high. I mean, that's too low. There, man. I mean, it's obvious that the buyers got it, but the bears are definitely going to have to step in if they're going to step in. I mean, this is a 118 to 264, and this was a big move this morning, so that's a 150-point move to the upside almost. Oh no, they said Powell. We got Powell today? Hold on. Powell, we got Powell today? Wow, we got Powell at 12 o'clock today. I did not know that. We got Powell at 12 o'clock. All right, so we got the Dallas Fed business index at 9 o'clock. No, that can't be 9 o'clock. It's probably like 10:30 or something, or 10 o'clock. Yep, and we got Powell speaking at 12. So I'm definitely going to be looking at my charts around that time because we all know Powell's going to pump this market. Hopefully I can find a decent entry before then. Yeah, that looks bullish on the ES. It definitely looks bullish on the ES right there. So I guess we can just expect more upside from the Nasdaq. I'm just hoping that we can just get a quick dump right here and retest this area for that move up to retest this high. I mean, if we get a retest of this high right here, then I'm no longer going to be looking for shorts. I mean longs. I mean, this looks like a nice short right here, but yeah, I guess we just have to wait for that 9 o'clock algo. We'll probably get like a small little dump here, and they'll probably pump it. They'll probably pump it at 9 o'clock like they usually do. They probably pump it at 9. See a lot of people with orders at 20K. That's crazy. I guess people got orders sitting at 450 as well. Looks like these market makers want to kill us softly with this price action. Man, this I don't know. This might be a straight up bear trap right here. I mean, we all know what bears. I mean, we all know what bear setups look like. This is a classic double top. They even put in a small micro head and shoulders pattern here. Yeah, this is a trap, man. This is a trap. They put a micro head and shoulders here, and then they also put a double top. Really, it's like a quadruple top. Really, if you really look at it. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a straight up bear trap right there. I do think that we will probably get a move back down here, but that's probably all we get. I mean, the structure is too bullish right now for the bulls to not try to come in here at this range right here. All right, we got 5 minutes into the algo. Let's see what she does. All right, so it's looking like trying to set it up. Okay, if we can get a decent test into this range, actually get my order ready. Oh shit, almost put the wrong thing. Get my order ready real quick. No, I'm gonna wait for at least a test of VWAP. I'm not getting in until they tap VWAP. At least. What I really want is this bottom of this range at 195, 190ish. That's what I really want. But I mean, if they stop it at VWAP or the 200, then I mean, I'll take it. Because this was like a 40. This is like a 40-point move down right here, and that's probably like the most stressful 40 points that somebody would have got. I think it does look like it's going to get rejected here at the 21 EMA. It's going to probably get rejected here, but I would pay attention to how price reacts when it taps into this range if you're short. All right, so let's see. So 177. Where's 177? 177. All right, so we're gonna tap into this range. I want at least for them to touch VWAP first. They got to touch VWAP. I mean, they're right there. They're literally right here at VWAP. And we got the 9 o'clock algo coming up pretty soon. Was I trying to be too cute with this entry? Was I trying to be too cute? Okay. Nine 193. Okay. Well, I guess I should have just waited for VWAP. Okay. All right. So let's see if the bulls will come in here, or if I'm going to regret my decision. So VWAP is that green line right there. That's VWAP. That green EMA is VWAP. I think this is about to go though. Can I get in? All right, so let's see. And good morning, Spiral. What's up? All right. All right. I mean, looks like they're kind of holding true at VWAP, so I think VWAP might be that move that we're looking for. Unless they're trying to go for like 170 or something, like somewhere in this little range right here. Okay. Dude, I really don't know why this thing keeps doing this. Man, okay, so all right, so we'll see. I'm thinking that it might try to tap into this range right here, or not this range, this little consolidation, this little break right here. It could tap into that, but if I see like a big breakdown, I'll readjust my stop up. I won't let it take out the full 50 points. I'll probably just use like 27 or something like that. We'll see. All right. All right. So let's see if the Bears continue to knock this down. Yeah. So right now the Bears are definitely trying to sell it here at VWAP and the 21 EMA. We'll see if the Bears are going to be successful. All right, Bulls, come on. Let's get a breakout. Let's get a breakout to the upside. If I see a nasty rejection at the 21, I'll definitely move my stop up for sure. If I see a nasty rejection, because it's looking like they're trying to hold it here at this little line right here. So it looks like they're trying to hold it right there. So, I mean, if I really see something underneath 70, then I'm definitely going to move my stop up. All right, so we got that test of 73. All right, so we'll see. I guess I should have waited for that 70 entry then. That's probably what I should have waited on. What's that? 763. Mm. Yeah, I should have just waited on that 70 entry. Like I could have, like I thought it was probably going there, but I figured that they was gonna try to bounce it at they was gonna bounce it at VWAP. But I think the Bulls are now buying this thing up now. I think 73 was their target. Oh crap, I got stopped out of that other position. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can get a breakout right here. If we can get a breakout right here, then I'm confident in this long. Yeah, on Bookmap, they're definitely trying to sell it here. They're definitely trying to sell it at this area right here. You can see the bears just trying to knock this thing down. I mean, we do got people sitting at 62 right here. We do got people sitting here. I guess I should have trusted my should have trusted that should have trusted this short. I didn't think the Bears was going to get this much room. I did not think they was going to get this, but that's what I say about the Bears, man. The Rainbow Bears, they always come in when you least expect for them to come in. Yeah, we saw this double top. I just didn't trust it. Unfortunately for me in this instance. I figured that they would want to come at least for 86, a double top here, before they really knock this thing down. Mm. Next time, I'll just kind of pay attention to this golden zone rejection. Just pay attention to that next time. Okay. All right. So let's see if I'll get stopped out of this one, or if they're going to hold this right here. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Bears. All right. So what can I do? Dude, no way. Dude, no way. Okay. Hmm. I mean, what, 130? I mean, is he trying to go for? He's trying to go for that? Okay. Yeah, it looks like they're just gonna kill us with the price action today. Yeah, today was just probably just a good day just to sit on hands, honestly, and not really trade anything unless obviously if you went short. Uh, Today is really shaping up to be that type of day. Oh my god, dude. Come on, NQ. Figure it out, man. Figure it out. I mean, what's the volume looking like today? Keep doing that. I mean, we definitely have the volume today. So I don't know why she's chopping around like that. Like there's no volume or nothing. Mm, okay. All right. So let's see. Let's see. Man, I feel eventually they will want to come back up into this range. I mean, if I lose this trade, obviously, I'm going to be done for the day. That's 2 losses. I'm going to be done for the day. Obviously, I'm not seeing the market, or the market is just not agreeing with my bias at the moment. Okay. I hit my personal daily loss limit in this account, so um, I guess that. Yeah. Okay. All right. Nice one in Q. Nice. Nice. 88.50. Nice one in Q. You can always count on you to do stuff like that. We can always count on you to do stuff like that, NQ. All right. $26.79. Uh, uh, mm. I mean, if we get a move like that, then what is that? I mean, if we do see that bounce right here, mm, yeah. I mean, it happens. God dang, funded prop trader. Yeah, when the market always like when the market actually trades to the downside, it's like, wow, the Bears actually got it, and the Bears got it for once. But this was definitely a stressful short. I mean, if he was in the short, congratulations if anybody was in a short, but man, that was a stressful short. The Bears definitely got it. You know, shorting is very addictive. That's why I try to stay away from it, man. Oh, man, I try to stay away from it because, like I've shared before, I see. I'm a bear at heart. I see short setups. I don't necessarily see longs. I mean, I can make an assumption when a long could happen, like possibly a double bottom. I'm not good with longs, but when it comes to noticing shorts, and I can spot a short a mile away. It's just that the bear's just weak and I can't trust it. Just can't trust them. But did you catch this short, man? Yeah, yeah. I kind of figured that they would do that. I kind of figured that they was going to hold them off at the top of this range. Because I mean, the Bears got it when the Bulls aren't buying, and you can tell that at least the institutional Bulls weren't buying because you see this chop. Excuse me. You see all this chop on the way down, and then when it finally tapped into this area of liquidity right here, we had this massive move up. So we'll see because let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do here. And I think I got my money back from this trade. Yeah, I think I'm break even now. That's why I love trading this way. That's why I mean, if y'all see me down like 50 points, yeah, I hate it. But it takes two one trade, one winning trade can take out two losses. And I love that. It lets me it just allows a lot of room for error. This one trade just took out that previous loss. So, well, yeah, we'll definitely see. I think they might try to hold it here. They might try to hold it right there. Hmm. Congratulations on that, man. That's why I mean it's I just come to the I've just come to the conclusion that you know what, I'm not gonna just play, I'm not gonna try to be really cute with the Nasdaq. I'm just gonna have a 50-point stop. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, every once in a while it'll get hit, but for the most part, I'll barely use any of it. It always sucks when you get stopped out at break even or whatever, and then the market goes in your direction. I hate that. I mean, all right, man. Let's see if they hold it. I mean, I mean, with that, I don't. I think the Bears. I think the Bears took their profits at this low right here. I think they took it. I think we can at least get a retest up here now. I think they took their profits already. At least I'm hoping. I guess I'm hoping they took their profits because the way that price ran away from this range. Yeah, I'm thinking that the Bears took their profits. I think the Bulls got this now for sure. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, yeah. I think the Bulls got this now. The way that price is just running. And look at that. Back positive. Back positive. I lost $500 in that trade, and now I'm up I'm up 750 in this trade, but I have a P&L of 152. So, I mean, that's why I love trading like this. This is why I love it. I don't have to worry about my stops can be big. I don't have to necessarily worry about, getting stopped out of a possible winning position. My stop gets hit, it gets hit, and I can just get right back in and win. I can get right back in and win. But the Bears are definitely going to try to short here. But I mean, the writing's on the wall. The market The bears took profits here. The bulls stepped up and bought. We had price running up. Now we got the 50 and the 21 pointing to the upside. They're finding support here at the bottom of this range, supposedly. I mean, the last hope for the bears is VWAP. If they ain't touching VWAP, then I'm getting my target hit for sure. I mean, the real question is, where can this thing go? Where can this thing go? Let's try to discover where it can go. I mean, I'm gonna take a bulk of my profits here at this break of structure because I think the bulls are at least gonna try to take profits here, or at least somewhere in this area. So I'm gonna take the bulk of this off right here. We can definitely possibly get a test of this high, but 325 is looking like possibly the area where they might come in and try to sell it or take profits is probably a better word. So I'm going to put no, I think yeah, I'm gonna put an order right here at a retest of this high. And I'm gonna put my last order here at like a 3 something right here. Have that run all the way up here. I'm pretty sure we can get up here. I'm pretty sure. Especially if the bulls keep pushing. Now, I mean, if the bears just come in here and they really sell this thing at VWAP, then I'll definitely probably get stopped out of this position if the bears are successful here. If they're successful, I'll probably get stopped out. Yeah, I actually did get a new mic. Yeah, I did. I did get a new mic. I'm glad because I was man, I was messing with this thing all freaking weekend. I was messing with this mic all weekend, trying to get the so it's not too loud and at the same time it's not too quiet. I think this is a dynamic. I think the previous one was like a condenser, if I'm not mistaken. But I think this mic is a dynamic one. And a lot of streamers apparently recommend this one. So I got it, tested out, and yeah. All right, so let's see. No, so I got the FinFine, FiFine, 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 whatever you call it. It's the AM8. Yeah, I got the FiFine one. Oh, you do? Yeah, things are nice. They're cheap, and with some help with the settings in OBS, they sound really good. So didn't have to spend $10 million on a mic. You know, I don't like. I don't know. I really do not know because Smith actually texted me this weekend. He kind of sent me a cryptic message. I don't know. I don't know, man. He sent me a meme that says, when your girl says you spend too much time on the charts and not with me. I don't know if that was just a cryptic message from him. I mean, I responded. I was like, dude, I mean, uh, I mean, uh, you're too good at what you do. I don't see why anybody would complain about you obsessing over the charts when you're really good at what you do. That's what I told him. But obviously, as he shared, he's just dealing with family stuff. So, I mean, he's gone for a very long time. When he goes for work, he's gone 3 to 4 months at a time, and I think it just this time it must have really hit his family. So, I'm guessing she's just very I'm just making the assumption. I don't know if it's true or not. I don't pry into his personal life, but I only talk about stuff that he shared. So this is what he shared with you guys. So I'll talk about it. Um, he said that he's dealing with some family issues, and I'm going to make the assumption this is a part of it. So hopefully he can get that figured out. Hopefully, because we miss our boy Brandon. I appreciate his insight of because I was thinking about taking this short, and Brandon would have already been in short. So I would have been like, yo, if you're short, then that emotional support, hey, we can be short together. Smith already would have been short. He would have already been. I'm sitting there thinking about it. He was like, yeah, I'm already short. Yeah. If he's trading right now, I'm pretty sure he's already taken profits on some of his shorts already. Hmm. Yeah, I probably have to do that. Probably have to do start all over again. That sucks, man. And I don't know why I do it. Hmm. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, that looks like the Bears could knock it back down right here. It, it does look that way. But I wouldn't trust going short right here because what I see what's happening right now is that, at least for the Bears' sake, and it could happen. I'm not saying that it won't. I mean, the Bears got a big move down, and now they're just trying to come back in and sell this retest right here, try to get at least a double bottom. But the Bears already got a double bottom. So if the Bears actually knock this down, this would definitely take out that low for sure. It'll definitely take that low out. So the question is, will the market try to take out this low? And if it does, I'll be prepared for that. And if it takes out that low, then I have to ask myself where the market's trying to go. So let's look at the higher time frame real quick. Because I mean, I'm thinking that they want to come back. I mean, that's a double bottom. That's a sweep of liquidity. That's a double bottom. Are they going to want to? I mean, are they going to want to sell this? And can they get back up? I mean, they'll probably sell it at 232 for sure. Oh yeah, they'll probably sell it there for sure. They'll come in right there and try to sell it. Hopefully not. Ah, darn. Okay. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, a lot of things can happen in this situation. A lot of things could happen. It could happen. Right now, the Bears have the advantage, and they're selling it off the 50 VWAP and the 21 on the higher time frame, but the Bulls are holding it up. Yeah, yeah, I'm looking at that too. Oh, that's why I was like, that's exactly where my stop is. That's exactly where my stop is. That's exactly where my stop is. Hmm. Hmm. Because I was thinking, like, I mean, if they trade it past 88, then they're definitely going to try to get a double bottom here at 2060 for sure, for sure, for sure. Well, Yeah, we get a nah. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens. I mean, I'm taking my profits at exactly where, or at least in that area where I think we could see a rejection here at the 200 EMA on the higher time frame. I mean, the Bears ain't dropped it yet, so I get what you're saying though. But yeah, funded prop trader. Yeah, this year is probably the first year that I've ever been disappointed in Bears. Uh, this is like the first year that I've ever been disappointed in being a Bear. First year. As I've shared before, I started the market when the market was in a bear trend, so uh, obviously that had a lasting effect on me. All I want is shorts. I don't want longs. I don't care for longs because the psychology of a long versus a short is so different. It's easier to sell, and I would only sell options as well. So that right there was on another reason to be a bear. I would sell options. I mean, obviously, when I sell options is bullish, but it's just selling something that you don't own and then making money from that. I love that idea, and I definitely did transfer over into the futures market. Yeah, I think we got this. I think we got this into at least 32. So once price gets up here, I'll probably take off the bulk of this and move my stop up, probably like really underneath this range. I'm thinking that they at least want to try to sell this retest up here at the 200 EMA. I'm thinking that they really want to sell this first because there's orders right here that I'm pretty sure that they're going to want to tap into. Or not. Or not. I mean, the ES is actually looking nice for a long right now. I mean, that's obviously a long on the ES. That's a long. It's definitely going to trade back up into this range for sure. How much room do I have? If I get in at 90, that's 10 points right there. That's definitely not a short on the ES. Definitely not. Um, or unless this is a double top, which I mean, I guess it could be. No, 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 let me just take that back. But what I'm looking at is how the EMAs are just sitting right here. We could see price trade right back up into this range right here. Okay. Well, that looks more like a long on the ES, so that kind of gives me confidence in this long on the NQ. Look at the higher time frame. Yeah, that's definitely a long. But I am keeping my eyes at that 2085 level. I'm definitely going to keep my eyes. I'm actually if we can get this, I'm going to consider swinging this. I'm going to consider swinging 2085 if we see a move down because we could get a pop back up into this area. We could get a pop back up here. Come on, Bulls. Push this thing. Yeah. All right. So this is the test right here. This is definitely the test. This range right here is definitely the test. It's definitely the test right here. So if the Bulls can definitely, if they can push past this range, which it does appear that they will, if you're in this long, I mean, I'm not going to move my stop because I like where my stop's at. But underneath this low could be dangerous right here. That could be dangerous underneath that low. We could see a retest back into this range underneath that low. Yeah, man. Yeah, people's 401ks need to be green when they go out and vote. It needs to be green when they like, dude. I really want to look into if I can uh do something with my 401k, do a withdrawal or something. I'm gonna probably look into that as we get closer to the elections because I already know. I mean, we've seen this. We've seen this so many times. We get that mega pump during the election cycle, and then we get that mega dump right in January. I mean, it plays around. Kind of, I think we're gonna probably get I'm making the assumption that we could probably see a reverse of what we saw earlier this year. We're gonna probably see a lot of bullishness in December, and then in January we can probably see that move down. That's what I'm gonna be looking for. Now, like I said, if Kamala becomes president, they're definitely going to continue to prop this market up. Unfortunately, I think we might see a dump if Trump is elected. But if Kamala is elected, they're not going to allow the first female president to not have good numbers. They're not going to allow that. They're not going to allow that. Actually, let me actually look at. So Obama was the president in two. I mean, the market was totally different back in 2008. But I want to see something. When he became the first black president, I want to see how the stock market actually reacted to that. I want to look at that. Let's look at that real quick. All right, so let's look at that. Let's see if we can see like images because I really don't want to. I probably have to. I mean, if I can find it, I'll find. Okay, so they're saying stock market performance by president. Let's see, Barack Obama. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're gonna do the same thing with Kamala. The same thing. Like this is what happened when Obama became president. This is what happened. I mean, this is how we know. I mean, we're just gonna play the game. We're just gonna play the game. We're just going to play the game. If Kamala becomes president, they're gonna do the same exact freaking thing with the stock market. So if you want, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's gonna probably be an initial profit taken, probably. But yeah, you see that? This is when Donald Trump was the president, when our economy was magnificent. This was Obama's presidency, and this is Joe Biden's presidency right here. So that tells me, I mean, we all know Obama didn't do that damn good of a job for the market to be doing this shit. I think we even had a financial crash during his presidency. But yeah, that was the stock market when he was president. So That's what I expect if she's elected. You say I can move into cash. Yeah. So I'm gonna plan. I'm gonna move it once we get that breakout. Once we get that breakout, then I'll move it right here. My only concern is that my only concern is that the Nasdaq is going to do her classic tap and go. Oh, he says, oh, you can go. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna definitely look into that, man. I'm gonna definitely look into that because yeah, I just kind of like everyone else. You just put money into the 401k and just let whatever they do it. I actually haven't even looked at the damn thing, really. I don't even know how much. I'm pretty sure. I mean, if my 401k didn't make money in this nasty bull run, I'm gonna call somebody because I was like, how the hell did you not make money? The market went in one direction. So I'm gonna look into that. Yeah, because I mean, they're just consolidating it right here. We just got this smite, this small little range right here. So, like I said, I mean, anything underneath this low, we can see a retest of this range. But it looks like the Bulls got it. I mean, I really think they're trying to get to at least 32-ish. Hopefully, the 200 EMA. But I really think that if we can get past this, then they're going to want to try to double top it here at that high. And then they might just trap bears and go for 325. Oh yeah, then we got Powell at 12 o'clock. I forgot about that. Oh man, I forgot about Powell at 12. Ah crap, I forgot about Powell at 12. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I forgot about that. I mean, what the hell is Powell even talking about today? Like, what is he talking about? Let's see if they'll tell us. I mean, didn't he talk last week? Like, dude, the hell are you talking about, dude? Okay, so I mean, it's going to be the typical Powell. So it says the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will deliver a speech about the U.S. economy at the 66th National Association for Business Economics annual meeting in Nashville, Tennessee. Uh, yeah, I'll definitely be keeping my eyes on that. Come on, Bulls, break out of this. Stop playing around. Break out of that. All right, funded prop trader. Appreciate you joining. Appreciate all those that join. Okay, so let's see. All right, so they're definitely holding it here. They are definitely holding it. Okay, so I see. Okay, all right, so they're holding it at the 23%. They're holding it at the 23%. Uh, all right, there we go, baby. There we go. That's what I like to see. Come on, Bulls, keep pushing, man. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. I'm just waiting for this breakout higher, man. That's all I'm waiting for is that breakout to the upside. I mean, obviously, if we can push past the 200 EMA and VWAP, we can definitely make the assumption that as when price comes back in for a retest, the bulls are definitely buy this, and we can see the moves higher. But they're definitely going to have to break that level at 200 for sure, which I think they can. I think they can break it because, I mean, at this point, well, never mind. They could be trying to knock it down. Okay. I mean, at this point, you might as well just come on, baby. Can we get that breakout? Can we get it past 200? 209. We'll definitely probably see them try to react here at probably like 221 or something like that. Let's see. I mean, I'm going to make the assumption that they're going to push past VWAP. They're going to probably push past the 50. Can't wait. You're so funny. You closed your short, huh? You closed your short, huh? Hey, what are you targeting? I mean, if you're in long, where are you targeting? I mean, I'm thinking that price can at least get back up here to at least 325 at least 320. You can probably see a retest at 320. All right, so this is going to be the test right here. So the ES, or that's the Nasdaq. Yeah, 225 is where VWAP, or not the VWAP, or the 200 EMA is. We could see them try to knock it down right here. Yeah, that's probably where they're going to probably come in at. That's probably where they're going to come in at. Uh, All right, so I mean, technically, I'm thinking they can push past this. I have faith in the Bulls. I have faith in them. I have faith. Bulls, I have faith. I have faith in you. But that is clearly a double top right there. So uh, that was clearly going to be an area where people take profits right there at that high for sure. Gain weight said he closes short, so shit, the market better start going up. Gain weight said he closes short and went long. Mm, okay. All right. So around like 215, 230-ish, I'm going to actually move my stop right here, break even, just in case we don't see a move up. Because as we get closer to Powell, I'm pretty sure we're going to see obviously a reaction from market participants. Um, hopefully we can get this thing touched. Hopefully. Yeah, I feel like I'm front running because they're going to probably go for that. Okay. All right. So we're starting to see some rejection at the top of this range. Well, you're definitely seeing some rejection at the top of this range right here. So, huh. And I am not blind to the fact that we do have yeah, a little high right here. So, I mean, some of the bulls took their profits at the top of this range. Hmm. Where was this? Yeah, that's like around that. Okay. Yeah. All right. I guess I should have expected this. Of course, they're gonna try to come in at that 50 on the higher time frame. Of course, they're gonna come in at the 50. I should have expected that. So I do see people trying to take profits at 220. I might have to move this thing down at 220. We'll see. We'll see. Probably have to move it down to 220. Uh, mm. Yeah, that's what they're probably doing. Okay, that's what they're probably doing for sure. They might be trying to go for that. At least the Bears are trying to come for this right here. They're trying to come. They might be trying to come for 2080 or possibly 2060. That's probably where they're trying to go for. Hmm. Yeah. You said your aim was 116 or 2116. I mean, that's close enough. Well, I mean, well, dude, hold on. I mean, that was close, dude. That was close right there. You didn't close it when it got like 2 points away from it. Mm. Anything less than our targets ain't good enough. You're absolutely right. That's why I take my target. Even though I might actually regret it. I might regret it, but yeah, that looks like it, but we'll see. Hopefully the Bulls can hold this. Yeah. Hey man, it happens, man. Sometimes our ambitions are too great and we fall a little bit short, but it's okay. There'll always be more opportunities. Always be more opportunities, man. Especially on the Nasdaq when she trades like 300 points in both directions at times. Especially the Nasdaq. That's why we love her. I mean, you got this big move, this. Now, whoever was in this move long and didn't take profits and had to endure break even and possibly getting stopped out. I mean, this is what makes the Nasdaq nasty right here. This is what makes her nasty because she came back and probably stopped everybody else that was right here, and then went in their direction and hit their targets. The Nasdaq can definitely be nasty, but I guess, you had this double top right here. I don't know where the EMAs were at the time, but they were all sloping down. So, hmm. Yeah, I think I can get my target hit, man. I mean, if the Bulls, yeah, I can get my target hit, man. I mean, if the Bulls survive this, if the Bulls survive this range and we see a pop out, you see them pop out of this, man, I'm getting my target hit, man. I'm pretty sure I'm probably missing this by I probably should put it right here at 2040, but I'll keep it at I'll probably move it down probably like at like 30 or something, but we'll see when we get here. If she start acting up around 30, I'll take it. I'll take it if she start acting up around 30. Is your new targets? Yeah, yeah, okay. I agree with that. Because my last runner target is right here at 318, but I'm trying to front run 325. I think the market is trying to get up in this area, so I definitely agree with you, gain weight. I definitely agree with that target, but I for sure have a target test. I'm gonna probably put this down a little bit more. Probably put it like at 81. Yeah, like right there. Get it like a retest of this high. Yeah, I should be good with that. I should be good. But I will be keeping my eyes on that 20 level, man, because it seems like people are trying to take profits at 20. Don't mean it's going to drop, but I do see a little wall at 20. So I'm gonna keep my eyes there. But hopefully we can just get a pop and get my target hit, and I can just be happy. But I mean, as you can see, like I said, I got my money back. I'm up $200. I got my money back. I guess as if I take profits, I get my money back if I take the profits. Man, I should really never have like that bad of an entry for like I should never have that bad of an entry. Hmm. All right, so let's look at the ES and see if the ES still got room for upside. So I think I should get my target hit. The ES has a hell of a lot room for upside. So that gives me confidence in my Nasdaq long. I mean, they at least got until um, maybe around 795 before we see some resistance. I mean, the bears are trying to sell this double top right here, but I'm looking at how the EMAs right now are just all sloped up. The bears are definitely going to have to do some work to break that. Not saying that it ain't possible, but it's a lot of work for bears to try to break through EMAs, especially when she got this room. I tap into this range, then okay, I would be looking for shorts, or not looking for shorts, but looking to take profits. 803, I'll be definitely looking for shorts on 803 if we get that, which I doubt, but yeah, it's definitely bullish. That's a bullish candle. Okay, I think I'm churning for nothing because yeah, this is the hourly candle. You got the 50 EMA at 275, right there at the at that high. Yeah, see, yeah, that's looking hella bullish on the ES. Yeah, we'll probably see. We'll see this keep pushing up until like 795, 798 ish. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Especially with all this right here, with all this consolidation. Yeah, I definitely agree with you. Yeah, this little block of price action right here is going to definitely be hard. I mean, unless they push it, unless Powell pushes it, unless Powell just pushes it, that'll be awesome. But without anything to excite bulls to buy it, to hit that buy button, yeah, this is going to be tough. They're going to definitely come in and try to sell the retest there somewhere. They're definitely coming in and selling the retest because we got the breakdown, the double bottom, a retest. They sold it down into this range. They brought it back up. The Bulls, the Bears got somewhat of a double bottom here, somewhat. So the Bears took their profit. The Bears took their profit already. Gameway, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because I mean, the Bears made their money like 3 times today. Like one, two. The Bears made their money. Yeah. Yeah. But these bears are definitely holding price up, man. Hopefully we get better price action tomorrow. Hopefully we do. We should. We should get better price action tomorrow. All right, baby, break up above these highs. Break out. I mean, we see a breakout. I'll get my targets hit for sure. Get my targets hit for sure. And then I'll probably cry like, oh man, I got out too early. I got out too early. Nah, we don't play them games. We don't play them games. We don't take profits until our targets get hit, baby. We don't take profits until our targets get hit. It would be nice if the Bears would try to stop trying to sell at supply. Stop trying to sell at supply, Bears. Give up. It's over. The writing's on the wall. The Bulls have it. Stop trying to sell that supply. Mm. But kind of going back to early in the stream, man, I should have just took the chance. I was thinking so hard about just putting my stop maybe 10 points above this high and then just going short. Man, it would have paid off. I have to really get out of the mindset of it's not a mindset, but I have to get out of the I guess it is a mindset. Trying to be cute, trying to be perfect with my entries. I figured that they was going to try to come for this high right here. So I was like, this might be one of those fake double tops to run stops, and then the short would have been right here. But I mean, this thing was setting up to go short. And I just didn't believe it. I wish I did. I just didn't believe it. Mm. Yeah, I'm starting to see a lot of people. I'm starting to see a lot of people now trying to take profits at 300, right where you're trying to take profits at gain weight. Starting to see that. Yeah, I think we should be good. We should get our targets hit. If you're in this, I think we should get our targets hit. I kind of wish I wish I was in this in my swing account. I had my entry on my swing account right here at 28 or 2060 actually. And I was going to move it up if I saw what I wanted to see at 2080 because I trade with one micro contract and a 70-point stop on my swing account. And I usually have a 200-point take profit, 250-point take profit. All right, baby, keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Oh yeah, that was 220. No wonder why we got that drop. That was 220 right there. And there we go, baby. Keep on pushing. Push past these highs. Push past these highs. Show these bulls or these bears that they failed. Show them that they failed. Yeah, I mean, if price get right here, I'm probably take it. If she start acting up, for sure. She start acting up, I'm taking it. Well, never mind. No, never mind. And there goes that first target. At least I put some money in the bank. At least I put some money in the bank. And for those that are, that was actually my trailing stop. I forgot I had that, but honestly, I'm kind of glad I did. Kind of glad I had that. That's why I had those trailing stops to protect me from myself. Because I ain't gonna take my profits unless it hits my target. Those trailing stops is definitely there to protect me from myself. Definitely there to protect me from myself. When greed hits and I move my targets up, I got them trailing stops. All right. I just need a couple more points, baby. Come on, keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. I think once price gets to about 30ish or something like that, maybe. My second set of trailing stops will move up. I forgot I had trailing stops on this, honestly. But like I said, I'm glad I have them. So let's see. Let's see if she's gonna keep on pushing. Yeah, because I remember. All right, so all right, baby. She start acting up. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it if she start acting up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. Thank you, please. Don't make me do it. Hit my target. Hit my target, boo. That's all I'm asking. He says all it needs for you to close that short. Hey, my long thanks you for closing that short game weight. The market thanks you. If it wasn't for game weight, shit, the market would have been down to 19K by now. But he was very merciful and he closed his short. Game weight was merciful. So he could be down to 19K right now. Ah, damn it. Ah, and Q. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh no. Q. No. Why? Why you couldn't just hit the target? It was literally 3 more points. Ah, damn. Ah, I should have took it. Damn. Well, damn. Should have took it. Hmm. Damn it. Well, give myself a little bit more points, I guess. Okay. We'll see. All right. So did we get to 95 on the ES? We certainly did. We got the 95 on the ES. Or just about. We missed it by 2 ticks. And we missed it by 2 ticks. Uh, hmm. Well, so my feelings won't be hurt. So my feelings won't be hurt. I'll move it up. Now, I did move it up, but I have a trailing stop. So honestly, I think the trailing stop was supposed to trigger at what is that? 141. Hmm. I must have moved it all down because my honestly where my target was actually where my trailing stop was supposed to actually trigger. Mm. Well, all right. We'll see. I got 10 more minutes, guys. We'll see what happens in 10 more minutes. We are getting closer to Powell, so we are getting closer to Powell. That sucks. That sucks. That absolutely sucks right there. That sucks. Literally 3 points away from it. 3 points. 3 points away from that target. Well, I mean, she did sell that retest right there. She did sell it. So I guess I can't. The only person I can be mad at is myself, but I mean, she did kind of miss it though. I mean, she did kind of miss it. She did miss it. Hmm. Oh crap! You know what? This could be a. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try. Let's see what they do here. My bad, guys. I'm gonna try it right there. Oh, my feelings are so hurt. Hmm. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is the one where. Yeah, I just leave that one to run. That one to run up there. I'll leave that one to run. Yeah, okay. I mean, if they knock it down, then this is definitely going to test like 2080, 2060. So I may have messed up here. I may have messed up, but I'm willing to take the risk. Okay. But all right, guys, I have to go. I have to actually join a meeting real quick. So this is where I am. Hopefully, we don't see that bearish move down. Hopefully, but we may see it. I may have messed up here. I probably should have took the profits here at this retest of this selling area. It's obviously it's apparent I should have took the profits at the retest, but I mean that's trading. Sometimes you can be overzealous and they miss your targets and it goes in the opposite direction and it just doesn't work out. So I think in this case it may not work out for me. So I will be streaming pre-market. I think like probably like 7 o'clock. I'll probably start streaming at 7 o'clock. I think that's when the market starts moving anyway. So around like 7 o'clock, and I'll probably stream until 8:39 ish. Who knows? But I'm gonna probably start doing that from now on because the price action overnight is definitely better than the cash session. You can see that. Now let's actually see where this move even started. So that happened right at open. This happened at 9 o'clock. This happened at 1. So, hmm, I'm not going to trade the open for sure. Yeah, around like 7 o'clock ish, I'll probably look at the market. 7, 8 o'clock ish, I'll start looking at the market and see what it's doing. And I'll probably start doing that from now on. But all right, guys, I appreciate you guys joining, and we'll do this again tomorrow.